And now Vivian will test.
I'm looking at a crane.
His super telescopic lens.
Hey, there's a dude. Where you going, little man?
With precaution, no mires nunca al sol con el telescopio ni la mira.
Damn, if only you knew
Diletante
Spanish.
Con los ojos podrías provocar danos permanentes al ojo.
No
Don't look at the sun
peeping.
directly.
Exactly. Or it will damage your eyes.
No peeping, no. It didn't say anything about that.
Peoples de la muerte.
Peeping of people is recommended. Bro, which tower are you looking at?
You know what would be more awesome this birthday gift? If it's X-ray vision.
Next birthday, right?
Yeah. Or the night vision one.
Irradiate yourself. Then if you put the X-ray vision, right, every time we meet Vivian at night, we can see him because he'll be glowing.
You can't see shit, can you?
I'm pretty sure there's a way to calibrate.
I think you need to be number.
So that the center
I have a
focuses
feeling
on
the
that.
part that we did not put in has something to do with the fact that the thing is blurry.
What, got one more part I put in, meh?
Mirror image.
Okay, what is this?
No, it's a 2 times Barlow lens. It's an IP.
Oh, it's very
Oh,
Very
okay.
clear, no?
it's very clear.
Or maybe it's not. It's not an IP.
Because it's
IP
a...
doesn't look like that.
Yeah.
That's what we are
Oh
thinking.
no,
What the hell is
it's
this?
a container for the thing, is it?
It's a Barlow lens.
It's a lens. Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
It's lens
okay.
outside. Here.
No?
I think it's
Yeah, it's a lens.
Lens. Oh, okay. I thought it looked like a container. Sorry.
Okay lah, so it's an IP sir.
Oh, too much.
Por favor, no speak in English.
Por favor. That's
No
the.
speak Español.
Carlos mentioned.
See ya. Where's my nachos?
I don't wanna waste battery.
Me llamo Shalin.
No, I don't
Me
know.
llamo Shamim. Me llama
You will
Rosa.
waste a little bit of battery.
Is that really?
To see,
Yeah, como se llama?
Can I just press and hold
Ah.
and then you can see the wallpaper.
Como.
Live wallpaper.
Volare.
The standard one is the this one.
Oh.
This one, Galaxy.
It's just
Magic
spins
Loop. Many.
The Nexus is the interactive
Yeah, no,
one because
yeah,
you touch then you.
Yeah, you were like, go around, right?
If not,
Well,
You just-
we would, but I'm more concerned right now that the target on the gross here is nowhere close to where the point is.
you have a
So yeah, I guess you have to collaborate.
Yeah, you need to adjust this small thing first.
There must be some way of calibrating it.
Yeah,
so
correct.
it's spot on, right?
You're supposed to calibrate first.
Probably in the CD.
Which is the bitch part.
When you go home, right, bro? You.
How do you know this
slowly-
shit?
My sister bought a freaking $800
Telescope.
telescope.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like at home at night, like, alright, the ship is here, guys. Gotta go.
But damn hard to use.
Dude, that's why you're hiding under the cap, right?
Chang. So Viv, you can enjoy this telescope in your house, even though you're on the second floor.
Yeah, I know. I'm probably going to go to the open field.
Yes.
Wait for next one, bro. And June.
Oh,
Yeah. Because
We are aiming towards
I don't
that.
have. You don't happen to have your MacBook with you, right?
Oh, I don't. Why? The CD is it?
Yeah. Because there's a part the part of the CD, right? It says how to get most of your part finder.
Oh, so they will like
Yeah, it's in
step
the
by
CD.
step instructions. Oh, go back and see.
by creating a phone,
So weird. That really threw me off, man. Thought
That's
really got
only
Spider-Man.
getting the most from your new telescope.
next gen iPhone update is an A plus update. We'll make sure that
So next,
Nexus 1 and whatever phone will not be able to.
Again about the phone.
That's why I say.
Talking about the phone.
Celestial body will be Android for sake.
Because you know, I think he was quite funny. He replaced me.
We are
You know
going to
what happened to
the one
Bob
near
also?
Katong.
where?
Then he said something.
looking house.
He said something
He
like,
saw the photo I showed him.
Yes.
Is it the one across the T
You have to
junction?
like
Both,
cross
yeah,
a
man,
freaking grass to
don't
reach
believe
that
her.
place. It looks like
yeah,
material
if
house, but
don't
more fucked
believe her,
up.
then try to
Yeah.
do shit.
Scary shit right there, man.
Yeah.
Next time I get the car.
Yeah, we'll need the car. No way I'm stepping out of the car when
Yeah,
you're
I can
there.
imagine. It's the thing we run towards.
be a bastard to someone who's looking at telescope, bright light.
Guy.
Okay, going to end the video. Everyone say bye. 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 Hey, wow. Check out the enthusiasm, man.
Come, my one.
Censored.
What are you doing, bro?
I wanted to see whether the light will come out in the end.
What?
You probably, you probably look at your phone and you see like Mats's eye.
Yeah, like slowly blinding, melting away. The cornea melting.
Can I see that?
inside the